Transforming your gardening experience has never been easier than with the BANGSAUR Action Hoe Hula Hoe. Designed for efficiency and ease, this tool combines the precision of a scuffle hoe with the versatility of an adjustable handle. Whether you're tackling stubborn weeds or aerating soil, its push-pull motion swiftly cuts through roots and extracts weeds without the back-bending strain. The adjustable handle adapts to your height, minimizing discomfort and maximizing productivity. Crafted from durable, lightweight materials, including high-quality steel, this stirrup hoe promises longevity and reliability season after season. Assembly is a breeze, requiring just 30 seconds without any tools, making it convenient to store alongside your gardening essentials. Plus, with included claw gardening gloves, your hands stay protected from thorns and cuts, ensuring a worry-free gardening experience. Say goodbye to tedious weeding sessions and embrace effortless gardening with the BANGSAUR Action Hoe Hula Hoe. Backed by a generous 2-year replacement warranty, it's not just a tool, it's a companion for your gardening journey. Discover how this innovative tool can revolutionize your gardening routine and reclaim your garden with ease.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.